You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these chili peppers. Very spicy. And yes, they are from South Africa. I often get asked whether they are from Brazil or whether it's a Portuguese word. No, it's from South Africa. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. So it's pronounced peri-peri, or in English, simply the pronunciation, peri-peri. So it's not peri-peri or peri-peri. Peri, stress on the first syllable of each peri. Peri-peri, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.